When it comes to conflict, some people dive in headfirst, while others prefer to avoid it at all costs. But the truth is, conflict is inevitable, and how we handle it can make all the difference in our relationships, work, and even our personal growth. So, what does it take to be a pro at resolving conflict? Let's dive into the top 5 zodiac signs who have mastered the art of conflict resolution and keep the peace in any situation. Number 1, Libra. Libra, the ultimate diplomat. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love and balance, Libras are all about harmony. When it comes to conflict, they know how to weigh both sides of the argument and find common ground. Their ability to stay calm, objective, and fair makes them exceptional at diffusing tense situations. Number 2, Taurus. Taurus, known for their patience and unwavering stability, Taurus doesn't rush into conflict. Instead, they take their time, carefully considering all angles. Their grounded approach often leads to practical solutions that bring lasting peace. They know how to stand their ground without escalating the situation. 3, Virgo. Virgo comes in strong with their logical, problem-solving mind. They excel in conflict because they approach it analytically and with a sense of order. Virgos are often the ones who can identify the root of the issue and offer a well-thought-out solution, making them natural mediators in any situation. Number 4, Pisces. Now let's talk about Pisces. With their deep empathy and intuitive nature, Pisces are incredibly skilled at understanding the emotions involved in a conflict. They know how to listen without judgment and offer compassion to everyone involved. Their ability to tune into feelings makes them great at finding emotional resolutions. Number 5, Capricorn. Last but certainly not least, we have Capricorn. Capricorns are known for their serious and pragmatic nature. When faced with conflict, they remain level-headed, bringing a sense of structure and logic to the table. Their no-nonsense approach helps resolve issues swiftly without getting bogged down in drama.